Managers Edu and Jesse over to join us.
Nice to meet you.
Nice to meet you.
Ciao, ciao.
How are you? How are you? I'm going to ask you a question. Why do you run your front of house like this? How did it come about, you know, to flog the orders like this to the customers?
My grandmother was in the kitchen. She doesn't read and write ever. So my father had to tell her the different plates. And one day the restaurant get full and he said, please, yes, everything you can, and I will sell it.
So just cook and I will sell.
And that's it.
And now the system has been in place for how long?
55 years.
Wow. And it's still full?
Yes, yes. It's
Every day?
Every day.
Where do you hide the cash?
How do you understand what people have ordered or paid for? Because there's no order.
Because all plates have the same price.
All the same price?
All the plates.
If you had this system in Naples, where I come from, people will start to hide the plane.
Do it.
Do they do it?
They do it.
Bastardo. I would love to see the kitchen.
Sure.
Is that okay? Stop ordering food. Enjoy this first. Don't be greedy. Don't be greedy. And check he doesn't put any plates underneath.
Leaving the other two to fight over the bill, I wanted to check out the engine room of this enormous operation.
Oh my God.
They fry the fish.
This is crazy. Hola.
1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6.
Oh my God. How much fish do you go through? Shellfish a day?
In a good day can be 1 ton.
1 ton?
1 ton.
A day?
Yeah.
Shit.
Here is my father.
Hola.
Papa.
Papa.
Hola.
Gordo.
Encantado. Muchas gracias.
Hola.
Eduardo Sr. is the main man behind the mayhem and a man after my own heart. Having started the restaurant at the age of 13, at 69, he's still as involved as ever. No need for the kitchen nightmares treatment with this guy.
I've been to thousands of restaurants before in my career, but I've never quite seen a setup as organised, as busy as this. And with such success, why are you on the golf course? You should be retiring.
Y tú te vas a pasar igual que a mí, te quedarás
You are
aquí.
going to be the same. You're not going to be retired ever.
But Dad's richer than me.
Yes.
No.
I'm telling you.
Seguro, aquí sí, más rico que tú aquí.
Ah, he feels very rich in the heart.
He looks extraordinary. Grazie, Papa.
Venga, gracias.
Can you imagine running the front of house here?
Easy. You go there, you shout to people, couple of winks, flog it. Job done.
Yeah, but you need to flog it because the kitchen can't cook the food and then you come back and say, sorry, nobody wants it.
Listen, I could do it easily.
Fred! Gino! Wait!
Oh, you see the restaurant,
Yes.
okay? You want to try to see the plates?
Yes, of course.
Come on.
With Eduardo's blessing, there's no better way to get a feel for El Tentero than to have a seafood selling session of our own. I'm usually sweating in the kitchen during the service. So, when it comes to waiting tables, I'm a fish out of water.
Come, don't push me! Don't push me!
Oh, madre mia! Already. Sorry about that.
Sorry, it's Gordon Ramsay.
Sorry.
Salmonete.
Sardine. Excellent. Thank you very
And
much.
octopus.
Gambone.
Relax.
Pumpo brasa. Pumpo brasa. Fucking hell.
Salmonete.
Pumpo brasa.
Oh, Pagarone.
You're shouting over me again. Fucking hell.
I want you to know.
Pumpo brasa.
Down, Gordon, down so they can see. You need to put some enthusiasm, Gordon.
Oh, my
Gordon,
God.
you put-
Smile and shout. The Scottish guy with the plate. I told him anytime, put the plates down. You're never gonna sell it like this.
Well, go on.
You need to go confidence, man, when you...
I am confident.
I'm gonna show you. Ready? Oh, Gabarone, Pupo Brassa, la signora Pupo Brassa.